All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol RKT, Rocket Companies Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your recognitions, to my efforts, your feedback, and encouragement to continue doing what I'm doing. I hope to continue to give you guys helpful and informative information and nothing less. So let's jump into this chart. Very bullish run here, starting from the 28th. And as the day started today, it broke resistance, right? But it didn't break it to the point where it used it as support. You can clearly see here how quickly it dipped. Within 2 hours, we had a change. I mean, it hit a high of 29.78, and then it just dipped back down. Something very significant about 29.78 is that the highest point this stock reached is $32.08. If we go all the way back, that's the highest it reached. So 29.78 is the closest it's gone back to those highs, and it just dipped from there. The bears literally from 29.78 within another 2 hours brought it down to lows of 26.81. The bulls re-leveled it out, and here we are seeing another high breaking through the resistance once again of 29.07, and it got rejected and it closed out at 28.35. Something I'm seeing in the behavior of this stock is that it is moving up and down pretty quickly today, and even in previous days it just does that consistently. But something I also am noticing is $29 is becoming a difficult resistance to break through, and the resistance levels slightly moved. I'm going to be honest, it didn't move by much if you want to look at it from this point of view. 29.07 could be the next resistance, but then I'd be leaving out the volatilityness that this had earlier in the day. So I am going to mention 29.07, but right now the most important point that needs to be broken through by the bulls is 29.78. 29.07 is the first point of reference to know in which direction this is going from 28.35. If it breaks through and it turns into a support, it could be on its way up back to 29.78, but the bulls are going to want to break through 29.78. It's the most important point. And before the day ended, there is a support level here that was created slightly above the 50-day moving average. And I'm also going to point out that the lowest point here, 26.82, is very significant if it was to work its way down and break through the support level of $28 and then break through the 50-day moving average of 27.96. That could be a significant run to get back into bearish territory. And if it was to break through 26.82, I would emphasize this clearly, and I can't say this in better words, but I'd pay very close attention to the behavior and what's going on, because you're now in bearish territory and it could work its way down to the new lows that it reached previously and it recovered from, such as 26.67, 26 and 30 cents, 26 to basically $26 and lower end of $26. So I can't emphasize enough how important it is if it was to break through the 50-day moving average and the support of $28, to pay very close attention if it works its way down quickly to $26, because the volatilityness of this stock is outrageous and it moves pretty quickly. Now, it closed out at 28.35. If the bears break through the support, they're not only going to break through support, but they're fairly quickly going to break through the 50-day moving average of 27.96, which would get it back into bearish territory. So I'd be mindful of that as well before even getting to $26. Just pay very close attention to the behavior of the stock. Now, on the other hand, the bulls are going to want to break through 29.78, but before breaking through 29.78, 29.07 is significant because it's the highest point before the close after this rejection here, and it recovered back up. So if 29.07 gets broken through, this could be on its way to 29.78, but anything in between that does not mean that the bulls are going to have a rally. They need to break through 29.78, use it as support to continue to have a bullish rally and move further away from the 50-day moving average of 27.96. I'd write those numbers down: 29.78 resistance level and support $28, and your 50-day moving average is 27.96. The lowest point here that I'd be mindful of, even not just tomorrow, but the next coming days, is 26.82, and the first resistance level before getting to newer highs is 29.07. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're a first-time viewer and feel encouraged to subscribe. Also, click on the bell, all notifications on, so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.